Guys, thanks for tuning in. This is a video all about the Ugreen Ethernet adapter for the Amazon Firestick. Generation 2 and onwards. Okay, so that's the box that came. Alright, what was delivered. And this is the cable. Vroom, voila. There we are. Very simple to install. The benefits easily outweigh the cost. And the benefits are awesome. Let's check it out, guys. Let's just check it out. Okay, so with the Ugreen product, you get 3 connections. One is for your Ethernet from your modem or router. Number 2 is your power supply, okay, that goes into your plug right just there. And then the little micro USB connection, this one here, goes straight in to your Firestick. Alright, there we are. Straight into there and job done. So let's go. Okay, right, this is the Ethernet connection from my modem. Okay, and that goes in to the supplied Ugreen modem block. Alright, so there we are. So this one's from the router straight in to the Ugreen connection there for the Ethernet. Connection 2, plug the Ugreen power supply into your plug. Third connection, plug your micro USB into your Firestick. And then the exciting fourth plug goes into your HDMI connection on your TV. Happy days! If you're not sure whether you've got the first generation or second generation Firestick, then anybody with Alexa, okay, that is a second generation Firestick. Anything without Alexa is a first generation, pretty much. Okay, there you go. Okay, with the back of the TV now, and I've now connected the Ethernet connection from the modem straight into the Ugreen adapter. All right, so that's the modem Ethernet cable. Okay, here's my modem, and the final connection is your Ethernet connection to your modem or router. There you go, guys. There's your Ethernet, that one there, straight into line 1. Happy days, guys, happy days. Guys, it's much quicker, there's no doubt about it. So just go to settings, okay, on your home page. Well, there we are, settings. Then down across to network, press enter, and you'll see that it says there, wired, connected. So what you'll notice is you'll get less buffering, if any, because the signal path is so much stronger being on a cable. Okay, hope that's of help to you guys, and happy viewing, enjoy it, rock and roll. If you're new to all this Ethernet business, then you might be asking yourself a question, well, why would I want to use a thing called Ethernet? Well, the reason being is that most people obviously use Wi-Fi. The problem with Wi-Fi is it's not a direct signal. It works through the air and the atmosphere, so you're obviously going to get interference. And the difference between Wi-Fi and Ethernet is that Ethernet is a cable direct connection from your modem straight to your TV's Firestick. So it's a direct route straight to your Firestick and will not get interfered with regard to atmospheric conditions, etc., etc. So that's the reason why people go for the Ethernet. Okay.